10-4. Is there anything else you need to question me about? Frig. She's not in she's in an air-conditioned office right now, twiddling her thumbs.
With artistic landscaping, we'll bring your beautiful dreams to life.
Alright, so here's what we're doing here with the driveway. We got the landscaping part aspect things are done, the retaining walls are done and dealt with here, okay, which you've seen in the illustrations and what's been built. Now we're getting ready to start the driveway. Okay, with that, obviously we want to do something unique and different and nice looking. Okay, he's got some nice cars and stuff like that here, so we want to make sure we accent that nicely with, you know, or go with that with the products that we're using. So we got this product here, it's been ground down, it's a special stone, it's smooth. Okay, I'm really happy with that. So we're going to go with this for the main part of this infill here, which you can see in this illustration. Then we also have this dark brick for a border. Then we got this natural stone here from Italy, okay, which we're going to cut and also use as an accent. Okay, and then this also black, jet black product as well that I want to use as an accent in here as well. Okay, so we're going to pull some dark browns, and we're also going to see if we can pull some charcoals and some blacks out of the house, which will take some emphasis off the front door. The fact we moved the pillars, now there's no posts, and we're not going to have posts back in. We also have this product called Champagne. We got 3 different sizes, 1, 2, and this size here. Okay, so we're trying to figure out exactly how we're going to blend those products together. And another product that we're looking at here is also, it's called Para Slab Selection. So definitely we're well on our way. We're hoping to start laying product on Monday, okay, which is now Friday morning around 11. So we're going to get things all set up here and work on some other projects for the rest of the week till everything comes in here on Monday, and then we're going to lay products here on Monday. So we're looking forward to that.
R225, 70, R22.5. Tell them they're for an RV, so they have to be kind of heavy duty.
Okay.
And find out if he has anything. We might make some other calls on that one. And then the other one could be tire supplier, just to get a...
Tire supply?
Yeah. Patty bye, Patty bye. Alright, everything worked out well with those steps? You're good for product now?
Yeah, 10-4, everything's good. 10-4. Call me back in 30 seconds, 10-4.
10-4.
Because of the expense of all this stuff, none of this stuff is stocked. And because, you know, a lot of times when I'm doing the project, it's kind of like what looks good with the house. I mean, you can only plan so much, especially when you're making some things custom. It's more important to make sure, you know, you got the right feel, and to create that feel, you got to be in it. You can't always just visualize everything. I mean, sure, it's all going to look good when it's done if we just do it all by mathematical equations, but at the end of the day, it's standing back and looking at it. Every time we do a project, we always criticize it. What would we do different next time? Well, unfortunately, this project in particularly, there's not a next time. So we want to make sure that, you know, it takes a little bit longer to think it through, to go through the options and the processes. So that's where we're at. A lot of natural stone combinations. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 different manufacturers of products here, okay, to make this look that we're going to create.
Patty bye, Patty bye.
Alright. 3 sizes. 10-4, that's the size. What's the size of the big one? Hopefully it's like close to 11 by 16
The
something.
largest one is 11 by 16.
Perfect, good enough. Excellent, 10-4, and then you got, what's the next size? So
11,
11.
and 8 by 11.
8, okay. 10-4, and then you said 8 by 11? Alright, we're doing well here. She's got this math happening.
10-4.
Okay, but the 8 by 11 comes with a small square and a small rectangle, correct? And this one. I'm not happy about that, so we're going to have to separate that.
Yes, 4. I'm going to see if we can get it just individually.
All right, 10-4. Keep me in the loop on that. Let me know what's going on. Okay. Okay. Here's the exciting part right here. There we go. Okay, I've got a 12. It's the brown wave. It's a natural stone. Do you copy? We may end up doing this for the soldier course because it's 11 and a half. And this here is 10. Look, this is almost 10 and a half.
Coming from?
And that's 11 and a half. We'll do that skid of brown wave from you know, the same place that we're getting the 4 skids from, 2 and the 2 they have to pick up. And then also the black onyx, the jet black, the stuff we used at Hillside there. We also want a skid of that. It's also the 12 by 20/40 copy. And I believe the jet black comes in a square.
Okay. Why are we doing that?
Because I asked this, M4, and I also want on the jet black the 12 by 12s. I think there's some 12 by 12s that are pre-done. You can find that out. How dare she question me? You know, if she was a staff member, she wouldn't question me. But she's my frigging business partner, and she questions me. Sorry, say that again? A skid of each, 10-4. Oh man, don't ever marry your business partner.
A skid of the 12 by 24 brown waves, a skid of the 12 by 24 jet black, and a skid of 12 by 12 jet black.
10-4. Is there anything else you need to question me about? Frig. She's not in a. She's in an air-conditioned office right now, twiddling her thumbs, having a friggin' probably McDonald's milkshake.
Enough linear footage? Because you need about 300 linear feet.
Now she's questioning me on my math.
Border stone.
Yeah, 10-4. We'll be a foot or two short, but that's fine. I can stretch this stuff.
10-4.
I got the charge on the card again.
A lot of times we're trying to, we have a hub person, so normally I'm that hub. So when everything comes in, if I can give them an answer right away and keep things rolling, and then that person can continue with what they're supposed to do and be productive. And so it's important to deal with it right away. Things for site definitely take priority. So sometimes some of the, the office jobs will get put on hold. Sometimes we have issues with the phones, which causes more complication because you're spending time waiting, trying to get through to somebody when you just want to give them a quick answer.
With artistic landscaping, we'll bring your beautiful dreams to